Hello everybody. The aim of this video is to explain to you how I create quizzes based on the video lessons I make and how I embed them into my blog. So here you can see the video that I already have on my YouTube channel. And here is my blog on Blogspot or blog on blogger.com. And as you can see, there is one example. I have a video. I create a quiz, which my students do, and they get an instant feedback. Okay, I'm going to make a mistake here, just for you to see submit, and they immediately see if they have made any mistakes and what their score is. For that purpose, I use LearnClick.com. This is a great website because it's not only simple to use, but it is also easy to embed into blogs. Or not only a blog, you can embed it in any website. So I'm going to show you now how to do it. And let's sign into LearnClick at first. Just a second. Okay, and once I'm signed in, now you can see all the categories and things that I have created so far. So you simply click create a quiz and you give it a title. So here for my video, the aim is to practice short questions or actually short answers. And this is lesson 1. And you can choose a category. So this is for my English blog, English for Beginners. And then you can choose one exam mode, or I think it's best for you to choose unlimited number of times or attempts for students to try, because if you're embedding your quiz into a blog which can be accessed by anyone. Here you can also add time limit, and I'm going to add 5 minutes, for instance. And now here you have many different kinds of quizzes, and this time I'm going to show you this one with blank boxes, and you just quickly add this, and you should have a prepared text or just type it here. Okay, so here you just simply copy paste the text and you simply do this. So you select the word you want to be a question, okay, and then just click create a gap. Okay, then you move on. Here I just want this word is create a gap, finished. Here again, it depends what you want to practice. Here now does. So as you can see, this is very simple, but it's easier for you to have ready-made text and then simply create the gaps. And you will see. Okay, so once you finish, you just check once again the name, category, unlimited number of attempts, time limit, and so on. You can add explanation if you wish. If not, you just simply click save. Okay, and make sure you always go to this visible tool and change to everyone if you want your followers on the blog to see it. If you want to see it, to make it visible only for your classes, then click this one. Okay, and because I have no classes, I just do this visible to everyone. So that's why it is always red for you to see, because it might happen that you go to your blog, embed it in the blog, and then you can see it, but then the other people can't see it. So make sure you check this. So you go back there Okay, so and save once again. And you want to see your quiz. You can check if it is, is he Timothy? Is he from France? Is he old? Okay, submit. So it's working. Great. You have your score. And now you want to embed it. So you have to go to this change, visible to everyone, change. So this is the step. It wasn't that obvious at the beginning, but now I know it, and that's why I'm sharing this with you. So you click on this change, and now you get this iframe code. You simply copy paste it, and then you go to your blog. Okay, so now first I have to sign in. Okay, just a second. Okay, so you grab the code. So it means Control A, Control C, you copy, you go to your blog. I have already text here, which is in Serbian because this is my blog for beginners in English in Serbian. And I have already embedded the YouTube video, and now I have to embed the quiz. So I just do copy paste here. You have seen this iframe, which I took from LearnClick, and you can see here that you can adjust its height. So if you think that your quiz is a little bit longer, you can simply change this from 500 to 600, 700, or make it shorter. It doesn't matter. I'll just keep this default 500, and you will see what it looks like. So compose. Okay, so this is what it will look like, and you immediately can see what your quiz will look like. And if you chose to have this time here, then you will see it working immediately. Okay, and now, okay, don't forget labels. I'm just going to use these simple exercises and click publish. Okay, I clicked publish, and now you can see it here. Okay, so it really looks beautiful. And in case you want to change something, you can go to LearnClick. Wait a second, I'm not logged in here. I'm logged in here. Okay, great. So you go back to your quizzes. Don't forget that you can to click this allow download to mobile app if you want to save changes. And then you go back to main page and you find your quiz. So here they are. These are my quizzes so far. So short answers. If I want to change something, for instance, I don't want my students to think about time. I'll go to edit quiz and just erase this one. Okay. And then save. And now I'm going to refresh my page here just for you to see how it changes immediately. You see, there is no time restriction again. And then I go back to LearnClick, and if there are any other changes, the moment I make some changes, it will be visible on my blog. And what I like also here, so it's really very simple to use, and I can always generate a PDF file. This is something my students like. I send them the questions, and you can have both with questions and solutions. And here you can write, for instance, the name of your website, because it will be in the footer text. And I just want to show you what it looks like on just plain HTML website, which is not a blog. Okay, this is a quiz I created a long time ago. It's there up and running. You can always log out just to see whether it is visible for other students. So here, it's not. And here, wait a second, now I'll go back to my website. I'll go to my website, to my blog. Now I'm logged out, and you can see that this one is visible. So that's why it's very important to check when you log out if it is visible for your students or not. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below.